How could you encourage our children in Ramadan without overwhelming them? Beautiful question. Don't be harsh. Make them love Ramadan. And even your kids, even if your kids, let's say 5, 6 years old, don't try to force him to fast the whole day. Sometimes it's going to be really hard on him. I think be easy. Wallahu alam.
Do you know what I find frustrating? I feel that a lot of parents feel like it's a race, and I feel like a lot of parents feel that that they have to boast in front of their friends that
that's it.
My kid is 6 years old and
Allah.
They fasted all day yesterday, and it's almost like everyone stand up and give them a round of applause. Look, it is cool when your child fasts, but for Christy Lee, I think just encouragement, man. Encouragement. Don't rush. Encouragement. Try to talk to your child, understand where they're at, understand what their fears are, what their struggles are. And for me, honestly, it's not a race. Like, I never told my kids, you have to
my
fast.
son knows the whole Jizz Amma.
Oh, yeah, wow. And
he knows it all. He's only 5 years old.
Yeah, and
and you look at him, he's beaten up. Black or down. But don't be too harsh. Let it go, man. Just be relaxed.
Yeah, I feel like it's quite tacky when people boast about their kids and what their kids have done. I think it's a fine line between encouragement and then it's just she boasting. But I think for Christy Lee, again, just encouragement.